Good afternoon, happy Saturday, everyone. Got like 4 packs here. Got 1 Evolving Skies, 1 Fusion Strike, and 2 Brilliant Stars. We're gonna open up the Fusion Strike first and see what we get. Good card. Let's say Psychic Energy. Alright, Metal Energy. Got a Turtonator, a Pyukumuku, Schoolgirl, Tynamo, Zeraua, Shelder, Caterpie, Drill Dirt, Reverse Holo for Alligator, that's nice, and a Holo for Alligator to follow. Not bad. Evolving Skies. Fire Energy. Alright, we got Darkness Energy, Ruben Badge, Flappy, Braviary, Litleo, Eevee, Cutie-Fly, couldn't read that, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Reverse Holo Chinchou, and Vaporeon VMAX, very nice. Oh wow. Okay, moving on, Brilliant Stars. Open. Go. Good card. Water Energy. Ooh, Water Energy. All right. Chinchino. Team Yell's Cheer. Sorry. Cleansing Gloves. Cherubi. Sock. Corphish. No, that's not Corphish. Yeah, that's Corphish. Wow. Wow. Golett. Chimicho. Wow. Flareon. Very nice. Trainer card gallery. That's awesome. And the rare is a Mewtwo. Wow, I like that too. Alright. And last pack. Maybe we can get some last pack magic. Let's say Psychic Energy. Alright, Darkness Energy. Staravia. Floatzel. Hunting Gloves. Carablast. Clefairy. Cherubi. Sock. Corphish. Oh, another. Oh, okay. No. We got Sharon's Care. And the rare is Amok. That's it for today. Have a good one.